Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Welcome to this tutorial on how to build a powerful project management system in Notion, using a ready-made template to jumpstart the process. By the end of this video, you'll have a professional-looking workspace where you can organize your projects, keep track of deadlines, and collaborate more effectively. And best of all, it will be tailored to fit your needs. Let's get right into it. For this walkthrough, we're going to take advantage of Notion's project management system template. Using these templates can save you a ton of time, and they're designed with professional features and layouts that look great and work even better. Think of it like moving into a new apartment that already has furniture set up. You can start living right away, but you can also rearrange things however you like down the road. Start by opening Notion, and in the upper left corner, look for the drop-down menu labeled More Options. This is your gateway to accessing extra tools, not just for this project, but all kinds of features Notion offers. Click that drop-down and then select Browse Templates. You might need to pause for a moment as Notion loads up its template gallery. There are dozens of options here for all sorts of workflows. What we want is the Project Management System database. Go ahead and use the search bar to type in Project Management System. This will save you from scrolling through everything. When you see the project management templates appear, take a moment to look them over. Each one can have slightly different layouts or focuses. Some are more task-oriented, while others include more options for tracking stakeholders or deadlines. Choose one that looks good to you and matches your style of working. For today's demo, I'm just picking the standard Project Management System template. It's versatile, clean, and has enough built-in structure to help you get started, even if you're new to Notion. Once you've found the template you want, click Add to bring it into your Notion workspace. Don't worry if this part takes a few moments. Notion is just setting everything up in the background. When the template opens up, you'll see the professionally designed database and dashboards all ready to go. Think of this as your project control center. Here's where you can really make it your own. Start by adding your project credentials. These can include project names, key dates, deliverables, and responsible team members. This step is crucial because it's going to populate your system with real, actionable information. If you're managing multiple projects, you can add each project as an item in the database, and Notion will help you stay organized. For example, if you're working on 3 separate client projects, you can make a separate entry for each, assign deadlines, and even label who's working on what part. You can also use the template to upload or link to creative assets, documents, images, reference files, and so on. This is especially handy if your projects typically involve collaboration across different teams or departments. Customization is where Notion really shines. Tweak the categories, change the colors, or add extra fields if you want to track things like budget or progress status. Think of it like customizing your calendar or planner so it fits your unique workflow. And that's pretty much it. The template does a lot of the heavy lifting up front, and you can personalize it as much or as little as you need. The more details you add, the faster you'll be able to find what you need when the work gets busy. Just remember, it's totally normal to come back and tweak things as you go along. That wraps up our tutorial on getting a project management system up and running in Notion using their professional templates. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. If you have any questions or want to share your own ideas on how you customize Notion for your projects, please drop a comment below. I love hearing your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.